Here's Mr. Pigeon. It's funny, they don't seem to mind him strutting around, but there must be 8, 10 little baby sparrows in the flower bed, and they're just having a little dust bath, and they're just adorable. They're hopping around everywhere. Can you see fluttering wings? There's hundreds of them around. I don't know what's going on. They're here every day, in and out, having baths in the waterfall, which is there. Just hilarious. I just love being able to look at them and watch them flitter about. And we've got blue tits. We've got blue tits on the nuts. We've got sparrows. Here we go. There's just so much bird life. I love it, love it, love it. Here we go. And then back to the little spadgers in the flower bed.